2024 is almost over, and I thought, why don't I give a little different gift to my viewers? I haven't been doing videos. I've been sick. I'm on a lot of new medication. Hopefully, it'll help. So, I'm going to give you a split view of how I got where I am now. The cactus mound in the picture provided in this little video is representative of where I thought I was as a gardener when I started. I thought surely there'll be a way to keep cactuses alive. And I did. And this is all kind of an atonement. I have a unique perspective on nature and the world. As a young man, I was poor. I needed a job. I drilled thousands of feet into the earth, moved heavy equipment, broke earth, broke soil, caused erosion. Lots of things that today now just they weigh heavy on me. And I worked in areas that had mountaintop removal and other things, and I said, I don't belong. And somebody met me and they told me I didn't belong. Now we've come a long ways. In this picture is ferns in a tree and longevity spinach also in a tree. My resolution for many years is to try and atone for damages I've done and to try to leave the earth better than how I found it. And I started this channel so that I could record restoring a piece of property. I had larger dreams. I wanted to go somewhere where land was devastated and do much more things, and I have not been able to do that. But my resolution for every year, and hopefully yours will be also, to plant something and leave the earth better than you found it. And you can benefit from this, from the things that the plants provide. You can garden. You can also garden for beauty. And you can garden to keep soil. You can garden to make a habitat for animals and food for them as well. 2024 has been a unique year, and I hope 2025 is better for all.